Here we've got a small-leafed Eucryphia, which for some reason 2/3 of it has died. I suspect possibly that the wind has snapped off the roots on part of it, or perhaps part of the tree's got honey fungus. Anyway, when we're tidying up for spring, it looks very unsightly, and we need to do something about this. So first of all, I'm going to remove the wire netting rabbit guards. I'm going to remove the dead bits as close to ground level as I can. So that's got rid of that. And there's one more dead bit. So there we've got rid of the dead bits. And we can live in hope that this piece that's left will survive. Come what may, we've tidied up this Eucryphia, made it more presentable, and hopefully saved that last bit. If there is rot in the roots, it may yet die, but it's got a chance now.